Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Mario. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a long distance drop shadow, and it's super simple. It's just a couple steps. Quickly before we get into the tutorial, guys, please scroll down and subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. It helps me out a lot. And also, don't forget to comment your suggestions for future tutorials down below in the comment section. And now, without further ado, here's the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm working in a 1920 by 1080p canvas. So I have the background set to an off-white, and it's got a little blue tint to it. That's going to help because the drop shadow that I'm going to show you guys how to do doesn't really work that well with darker backgrounds. So let's get into typing the text. So just type out your text and then center it. So after you've centered your text, you're going to want to double click on the text layer to open up the layer styles. You're going to want to go to drop shadow. You're going to want to make sure that your drop shadow color is hex code 202023. And this color just really works well with light backgrounds. You're going to make sure that your angle is set to 135 or 45 degrees. It usually works best in 45 degree increments depending on where your light is coming from. So next, what you're going to want to do is adjust your distance. You're going to want to make sure that it's a pretty decent distance away from your text so you get that long distance feel. So you want to increase the size enough to where the corners of the drop shadow aren't really visible. So yeah guys, that is how you create a simple long distance drop shadow. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to scroll down and give the video a like. Comment suggestions for future tutorials in the comment section below. And if you made it this far, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I'm going to be pumping out more tutorials and more content in general every Tuesday and Thursday. And I think I might start uploading on Saturdays. It's going to be videos just like this. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Shorty wanna fuck, but I'm busy getting bucks. If you know my fucking name, you know my music bumps. If you hate my fucking shit, you a motherfucking chump. Hey, ooh, yeah, damn, Billy stay hard like a kite. Yeah, bitch, I blew up overnight. Yeah, you know the world around town. Hey, my diamonds bright like I light. Yeah, my music different, I'm right. Hey, my music different, I'm right. Yeah, who the fuck else sounds like this? Hey, my music different, I'm right.